What's going on, guys? It's Megan and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Recently I've been getting a lot of comments asking me how I get dressed in the morning and how I do certain things like zip up my jacket and button my pants, so I figured I would just make a video to show all of you. These aren't the only methods you can use to get the jobs done, but it's just what I've chosen and is what is most effective for me. So if it works for you, great. If not, you know, keep experimenting and you will find it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, so my outfit is a little bit weird for this video. Bear with me. These are just the pieces that I picked to show you guys my different tips and tricks for getting dressed with one arm. I wasn't going to show you guys how I put my shorts on or my pants on, but I remembered that when I first lost my arm, it was really hard to just get my legs in a pair of jeans or shorts with only one hand. So I guess the one tip that I would have if you're a new amputee or if you broke your arm and can't use it or had a stroke or whatever it may be is to grab the center of the jeans as opposed to the side. You just grab the middle, so then it opens up both leg holes for you so you don't have to be struggling, you know, getting your legs in. So just hold the middle where the zipper is and then you slide one foot in, get the leverage on your left leg or your right leg, whichever hand you have, and then you pull them up. So once they're up, you are going to want to grab the button and then kind of pull it towards the center. You're going to take your middle finger and hook it in that hole and then get it to where it's over the button and then push the button through the hole with your thumb, just like that. The key to getting your zipper up is just pushing down with, you know, whatever finger you want. I use my middle finger to, you know, straighten the zipper so you can get it up. And then you are all done. So next I'm gonna do how I put a bra on with one arm. So I'm just gonna put a bra on over this so this doesn't get weird for anyone. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how I started hooking my bra when I first lost my arm, because when I had two hands I did it upside down behind my back and clipped it together on my stomach and then twisted it around. So I tried to adapt and keep doing it that way. So this is a method that actually allows you to get both of the hooks into the little clasps securely every single time. It just takes a little bit longer, so it's not what I normally do. But you are going to have your bra upside down and facing your back, and then you're going to tuck the strap, press it against your like ribs and the wall so the two hooks are there hanging out, and then you're going to grab the other side and get whatever, you know, tightness you want. You want the hooks close to the wall so they don't move around, and then you just, oops, yep, there we go, just like that. And then you can spin it around, put it over your shoulders, and you're done. All right, I'm just gonna use a big t-shirt to show you guys how I put my t-shirts on with one arm. This is something that they tried to teach me in occupational therapy, but I was not very patient with it. So this is how I have taught myself. If you're just starting and trying to put your shirt on with one arm, it's easiest to kind of just lay it down, face down on the bed, and then grab the back side of it, and then just kind of work your arm into it like that. Get it all the way through, and then you grab it by the neck, push your head through, and then pull it down. Just like that. The last thing I'm going to show you guys is how I put a sweatshirt on with one arm, how I zip it up, and what I do with my sleeve. So I found that it's easiest to hang the shoulder, it's easiest to hang the sweatshirt on whatever shoulder you're missing an arm on, and then reach around the back and push your arm through like that. So once you have it on, I like to tuck my sleeves inside. I used to let them dangle, but I don't wear a prosthetic and it bothers me when they're just blowing in the wind and, you know, doing their own thing. So I reach in from the inside and work my fingers to the end of the sleeve, and then I pull it through like that. And then what I actually do with my sleeve is tuck it in my bra like this, just because it's the least noticeable that way, or I will just tuck it into whatever tank top I have on underneath. So I don't always use a wall to zip my jacket up. Sometimes I can just get it like this, but if you're just starting and trying to learn, what I do is press it up against a wall just like this. Make sure your zipper's down at the bottom, and then you're gonna feed the zipper into the other part of the zipper, and then push down on the bottom, and then kind of just pull it. Jeez, can't even get a hold of the zipper right now. And then you're just gonna pull it up to the top, and you're done. Alright guys, for those of you who had questions about how I get dressed, I hope that this video helped you out, and for those of you who are just watching, I hope that this entertained you a little bit to watch me get dressed. Anyway, if you haven't already, do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and more importantly, go subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.